We've already seen the major releases, but there's still one exciting launch to look forward to, the OnePlus 12, the upcoming flagship from OnePlus. Over the past few weeks, the Chinese company has been giving us sneak peeks of the phone's design, specifications, and some cool camera features. The boss of the company, Li Jie Louis, posted pictures taken with the OnePlus 12's camera on China's Weibo platform. Let's take a look. The official launch is on December 5th, and the phone will be available worldwide early next year. We'll need to wait and try it out ourselves to make sure the new camera system is as good as it seems. Right now, it looks really impressive, though. What are your thoughts on these camera samples of OnePlus 12? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.